disasters, catastrophes, or constant stress. Squishy toys can help. Check out more ideas and life hacks on our brand new channel, Woohoo! Subscribe and enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. Oh no! Ben! How could you do this? My favorite flower is dead! Why didn't you save it? Use our squishy hacks to keep your flowers fresh. Poke holes in a memory foam squishy using a wooden skewer. Pour water into a saucer. Squeeze the squishy and put it into water. Stick mini roses into the squishy after the water soaks in. This squishy milk carton will keep the bouquet alive. Christy, I fixed it! Too late! Not this unicorn again! But I will find a way to put it to use. Attach paper to the table using masking tape. Squeeze acrylic paints onto a palette. Dip the paws of a squishy unicorn into it and move them over the paper. Paint a rainbow. Cover the unicorn with the paints you want. Make an imprint on paper. Attach the details with a brush. Add eyes and an ear. Just massage a unicorn, and your picture is done! Close your eyes! I've got a pizza surprise! Cut a squishy pizza slice along the edge. Stick in stud earrings. 3 surprises in one! A pizza, a squishy, and a present! Oh, how cute! I'm so happy I could die! I have a new beauty product! It's a BB cushion made out of a squishy. Cut an old squishy burger into 3 parts. We'll need the middle piece. Hot glue it to an empty face powder compact. Squeeze out foundation on top. Evenly spread it over the surface. Let it soak in. This squishion is so convenient and very soft. I also have a squishy makeup assistant. Meet Bunny. Wrap a beauty blender in light clay. Cut off the excess. Smooth out the seams. Make ears out of light clay. Black eyes and a muzzle. Add 2 white clay teeth. And highlights on the eyes. This bunny is so lovely and soft. Here he is, my pink squishy makeup artist. Christy keeps gnawing on her pencils. It's time to get her to stop. Cut an opening in a small squishy and put the squishy on the tip of a pencil. The tiny squishy protects the pencil from Christy's teeth. From now on, no more biting. We conquered her bad habit. Yay! Stop sleeping! I need your pillow! Oh, I'm not getting any sleep again! Where's my stress reliever? Trace a plate on memory foam. Cut out a cylinder. Prime the piece with white rubber paint. Color it with rubber paints. Create a slice of grapefruit. Here it is, my soft little grapefruit. Now it will guard my sleep. What? A ton of dirty dishes in the sink again? How can you solve this problem quickly? Use a squishy. Cut 2 heart halves out of memory foam. Make a little cut inside of each piece and put it in a piece of soap. Join the pieces with multi-purpose glue. Jess, look at this wonderful squishy heart. It's perfect for doing dishes. Do you want to try it out? Aha! It worked! That was pretty easy. Life is so boring and gray. But a fun Band-Aid will help us out. Cut out printed pictures of a Band-Aid. Wrap them in clear tape. Join the pieces. Finally chop a plastic bag. Stuff the bandage with it. And tape the edges. Yay! Let's start our squishy party! Ow! It hurts so bad! The ambulance is already here! We need to put on a cold squishy. Coat a memory foam squishy with water. Let it soak through completely. Slightly squeeze it out so it's not dripping. Put it into a Ziploc bag and freeze it. We have a cold squishy instead of ice. It calms the skin perfectly. Our chili panda relieves pain and takes care of you so you won't bruise. You can't sit anywhere near Christy when you're doing your nails. Look what you did! That's not a big deal. My nail polish removing squishy will take care of it. Cut the top off an old squishy. Make the hollow deeper with scissors. Put the squishy into a jar and pour in nail polish remover. Let the squishy soak through. Dip your fingers into the squishy. After a few moments, your nail polish is nowhere to be seen. Not bad. But this nail salon still has to move. Oh my gosh! It's an earthquake! Help! A bag of chips will save us. But how? Clean an empty package of chips with a paper towel. Fill it with stuffing. Cover the cut using double-sided tape. Stick in a thin straw into a corner so that the air circulates. Cut it to fit the bag. Superglue the straw. Oh, it's so soft! Chips are a great stress reliever, even if you don't eat them. Can you smooth out a squishy if it's crumpled? Let's see! Place a squishy between sheets of foil. Put a hot iron on top. Press it harder. Hold it for a few minutes. Our squishy melts and leaves an imprint on the foil. It seems like the squishy doesn't feel so good. It lost its face. That was a bad idea. These squishy penguins are so charming. We froze one of them. Let's compare the penguins. The frozen one should have taken longer to go up, but it warmed up way too quick. Well, what can we do? It's summer and it's hot outside. We should come up with a test for this squishy. And here is a hint. Let's use the microwave. Put a squishy pear into a microwave for 30 seconds. It ends up okay. But if you microwave the pear for 5 minutes, it melts. Don't leave squishies in a microwave for too long. Did you like our soft life hacks? Then let us know in the comments which test you want to try out on your squishies. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks on Troom Troom.